Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Well, as we talked
as
about
we
last
talked about last
Thursday,
Thursday,
movement
movement is a major characteristic of
animals.
animals.
This
This
movement is a
movement
result
is
of
a
the
result of the
contraction
contraction
of
of
muscles,
muscles,
and
and
the
the
skeleton
skeleton
helps
helps to
transmit that
transmit
movement.
that movement.
Today, I'd
Today,
like
I'd
to
like to
discuss
discuss
our
our
body's
body's
muscles, bones, and
joints
joints
in
in
more
more
detail.
detail. As you
As
can
you can
see in the
see in the
illustration in
illustration in
Chapter
Chapter
4 in
4
the
in the
textbook,
textbook,
under the
and under
skin,
the skin,
human
human
bodies
bodies
are
are
covered
covered
with a
with
lot
a
of
lot of
muscles.
muscles.
Under
Under these
muscles,
muscles,
we
we have bones
of
and
many
many different shapes and
sizes.
sizes.
These
These
bones
bones are
are
connected
with
with joints,
which
which are
also
also of several different types.
Now,
Now, let's
start
start with
muscles.
muscles.
We
We can group
muscles
muscles into three types. Can anyone name these three types? Yes? Yes. There are three main types of muscle in our body. One is skeletal muscle, and the second type is smooth muscle, and the third is a specialized muscle tissue of the heart called cardiac muscle. Very good, Betty. The first type of muscle is called by another name too. What it is and why? Anyone? Skeletal muscle is also called voluntary muscle because it can be consciously controlled. I mean, we can move it when we want to. Excellent. Then how many skeletal muscles in the human body, John? Let's see. About 300? But the number can change, can it? I mean, say by exercise and stuff. And with that few, you're missing half of our body. Anyone else? No, it has about 600 skeletal muscles, I believe. Actually, there are approximately 650 skeletal muscles in the human body, which differ in size and shapes according to the jobs they do. Also, contrary to popular belief, the number of these muscles cannot be increased through exercise. The muscle can only get bigger, not more numerous. Well, these skeletal muscles are attached either directly to bones and indirectly, that is, via tendons. Okay, how about their movement? George, can you explain how they work? Certainly. They work in opposing pairs. One muscle in the pair contracts while the other relaxes. Yes, that's right. Controlled movement of the limbs indeed relies on coordinated relaxation and the contraction of opposing muscles. For example, to raise a forearm, the biceps are two-rooted muscle contracts and shorten, while the tricep, the three-rooted muscle relaxes. And the reverse occurs when the forearm is lowered. This intricate coordination produces body movements as diverse as walking, playing tennis, threading, you name it. And of course, a whole array of our facial expressions too. Okay. Then you may guess by now what the name for the other two types of muscle is. Yes? The second and third type of muscle are both called involuntary because they are not under voluntary control. What that means is we can't move them at will. Good. Smooth muscle, the second type, occur in the walls of internal body organs and perform functions such as forcing foods through the intestines, contracting the womb in childbirth, and pumping blood through the blood vessel. Of course, the cardiac muscle can't be voluntary either, okay? Then let's move on to bones and joints. Bones. They form the body's hard, strong, and skeletal framework. But does anyone know what bones are chiefly composed of? Yes? Bones are composed chiefly of calcium, phosphorus, and let's see, a fiber substance known as collagen. Excellent. And bones meet at joints. These bones also several different types. Can someone name any example of them? The hip is a ball and socket joint that allows the femur or thigh bone a wide range of movement. Finger joints, on the other hand, are simple hinge joints that are only bending and not rotating. That would be weird if they did, though. Anyway, these are some examples. Precisely. As you can see in the diagram on page 178, the joints are held in place by bands of tissue called ligaments. Movement of joints is facilitated by the smooth hyaline or glass-like cartilage that covers the bone ends and by the special membrane that lines and lubricates the joints. I'm pleased you prepared very well for the class today. Keep at it. We'll cover the material quite soon. If you don't have any questions, that's all for today. Okay, I'll see you all again Saturday. Oh, don't forget the reading assignment for next class, everyone.
Good afternoon.